Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm. I am so happy to be with you today. And today's topic is, do I need an estate plan? But before we get to that, if you have any questions about estate planning or any questions about what I talk about today, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. You can go there, you'll see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is, do I need an estate plan? This is a question that I get quite often from potential clients. And the reason for that is that a lot of times people aren't really sure what's involved in estate planning and how does it help you, why do I need it? Because sometimes a financial advisor may tell them they should contact an attorney about creating an estate plan, or maybe it's a friend who just created their own estate plan and they suggest that you do the same. So they're really potential clients aren't really sure why they need an estate plan and how it's actually going to help them. So today I'm going to tell you the reasons why everybody who is over 18 needs an estate plan. So the answer to that question is, I just told you, is yes, anybody over 18 should have an estate plan done. And the reason for that is that estate planning really helps you in two different situations. The first situation is that it settles your affairs after you die. And this is probably the most common thing that people think about when they think of estate planning, is they think about creating a will, right? A lot of times people say, I need an estate plan, I need a will. So they want to have a will, so they want to make sure that their assets are distributed to the people they want to be distributed to. If they have a certain asset they want to give to someone who's not like a family member, they need to have a will in order to do that. Because if they don't have a will, then the state laws come into play and it tells you where your assets go. So if you have a specific asset that you want to give to someone, you need to make sure that you have a will in order to do so. Another thing that a will do is it will allow you to name a guardian for any minor children that you have. So that allows you to name a guardian. If not, the court gets involved and they will decide who will be the guardian of your child. Also, what a will does is it appoints someone to be your personal representative, and they're responsible for settling your estate, distributing your assets, paying any outstanding liabilities, basically making sure that your affairs are settled after you die. So that's the first situation. What happens after you die? Estate planning also helps you in another situation, and that's while you're living. And it's while you're living, but you're unable to communicate with others. So if you were to be in a car accident and you're in a coma and you can't talk to other people and you can't ask about medical decisions, you can't make them for yourselves, you can have documents that will allow someone else to step into your shoes and make important decisions on your behalf. And there's two documents that will do that. The first document is called a healthcare proxy. And what that does is that allows you to name an agent that will make the important medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. The second document that you would have would be a durable power of attorney. And that is a document that allows you to name an agent that makes important financial decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. So what that means is that someone who you name as your agent, as your power of attorney, they're able to access your bank accounts, they're able to take out money to pay bills, they're able to sell real estate if you need it. So basically they're able to step into your shoes and allow your financial affairs to carry on as if you were still able to do so yourself. So that's really the two situations that estate planning helps you in. One, after your death. Second is while you're alive but unable to communicate with others. So that's really the whole part of an estate plan. That's why it's so important for everybody to have one, no matter what your asset level is and know what your station in life is, that these three documents, the will, the healthcare proxy, and your durable power of attorney, all work together to protect you and protect your family in both after you die and during your lifetime. So that's why it's really important that everybody has an estate plan, because if you don't have one, then the state makes those decisions. If you don't have a will, the state will decide how your assets are distributed. It will decide, or the court will decide, who is a guardian for your minor children. If you don't have the healthcare proxy or the durable power of attorney, then the court gets to decide who will step in, who will be the agent to make those important decisions on you. And they may not be the people that you want to do that. The court may think that other people are better suited, or may decide the people that you wouldn't never want to fill those roles, or the ones filling the roles for you. So it's really important that you do your estate plan so you get to make those decisions and don't leave it into the hands of anybody else. So that's all I have for you today. Again, just to recap, do I need an estate plan? Yes. If you're over 18 years old, you should have an estate plan that contains at least a will, a healthcare proxy, a durable power of attorney. So those are the 3 documents that everybody should have if they're over 18, no matter what they have for asset level, whether married, unmarried, children, no children. Those are definitely documents that everybody should have. So if you'd like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that can benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Again, go to estateplanmeeting.com if you have questions and you want to talk to me for free. Again, estateplanmeeting.com. Go there, see my schedule, and you can pick the time that works best for you, and we can have a chat about estate planning. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the time, you taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon.